Welcome to Wolf Nest, your trusted property management in Salt Lake City, Utah. Landlord burnout, mental health tips for managing stress. Being a landlord isn't just about rent checks and repair calls. It's about managing properties, tenants, and your own sanity. In Utah's fast-paced rental market, stress can pile up quickly. But with the right mindset and tools, you can manage the pressure without burning out. Utah's stunning mountains and booming rental market are no secret, but with that beauty comes a seasonal challenge: air inversions. These wintertime pollution traps don't just affect health, they directly impact rental property maintenance and tenant satisfaction. What is an air inversion, and why does Utah struggle with it? Inversions happen when warm air traps cold air and pollution near the ground. In places like Salt Lake City, the valley geography intensifies the effect. The result? Days of gray haze and poor air quality, especially from December to February. How Utah's air quality affects rental properties. When air quality drops, HVAC systems work harder, filters clog faster, and dust collects inside. Poor sealing around windows and doors lets pollution sneak in, putting both property value and tenant comfort at risk. Upgrade or replace air filters. During inversion season, air filters should be checked monthly, more often in high-traffic or urban areas. Consider MERV 13 or HEPA filters for better filtration. Documenting filter changes helps ensure system efficiency and tenant safety. Install or maintain air purifiers. For homes near busy roads, portable or centralized air purifiers can dramatically improve air quality. This small upgrade helps tenants breathe easier, literally. Weatherproof windows and doors. Well-sealed properties prevent polluted air from entering and also boost energy efficiency. Replacing old weather stripping and using draft blockers can make a big difference during harsh winter months. Schedule HVAC inspections. Before the cold sets in, inspect ducts, thermostats, and HVAC performance. Catching problems early reduces emergency repairs and protects your long-term investment. Educate tenants on best practices. Clear tenant guides help renters understand how to manage indoor air. Teaching them how to spot signs of poor air quality, use purifiers, and report drafts builds trust and minimizes maintenance requests. Tips for tenants living in Utah during inversion season. Simple habits like leaving shoes at the door, using fans wisely, ventilating on clear days, keeping indoor plants, and reporting air leaks can all improve air quality, even in small apartments. Why air quality matters for property management in Utah. Neglecting indoor air quality can lead to early lease terminations, negative reviews, and costly repairs. Proactive property managers minimize these risks with smarter seasonal maintenance. Inversion season is here to stay, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can protect your property and provide tenants with a healthier, more comfortable home. At Wolf Nest, we understand the unique challenges of managing properties in Utah's climate. From seasonal shifts to air quality concerns, we help you stay ahead with proactive, reliable property management solutions tailored to Salt Lake City's rental market.